as you all know, like this particular XM variant comes with 4 speakers only. See, but we have additionally installed 2 JBL Co-Axials, which are right installed in the back doors as well. If you see, this is the positioning of the speaker on the back door, and there is a position for Twitter as well. Actually, the good thing is Tata has provided inbuilt wiring for these speakers, even though they don't give a speaker. Quality of the speakers which we have in product. So this is the quality of the front speakers along with the filter gun. I'll try to increase the volume of the audio system, then we can. So this particular harmonic system is really good. Actually, we like it. Now coming to the another accessory which we installed inside is the steering wrap. JBL speakers I haven't mentioned. Actually, these speakers costed around 3,500 rupees with fitting. And the next accessory is the sunshades, which comes with magnetic strips. Actually, we have bought 4 pieces of it. Maybe due to the shape of the doors, it hasn't got into exact slots, but it's fine. This much you can adjust. So it actually fits well when you lock the door. Now you can see. Actually blinds well. Now we have installed it on the 4 doors as well. So for front doors it comes with half only. So for driver door we have excluded. next useful accessory which we are going to talk about is the car charger. We have ordered the Petrol. Petrol. This actually the model name is Bullet. So this charger actually comes with a Type C wire as well. So this is the wire which we got with the charger. The second wire we have just plugged in. So this costed around 299 rupees. We have ordered it from Amazon. It works pretty well. Actually, it has 3 slots, so it actually works. It actually doesn't charge that fast, but it's okay.